Alright. I wanted to do a vlog on the price of oil. Yeah, this isn't sustainable. People are gonna, people are saying 120, 140 is gonna be the breaking point for as far as the economy goes. I totally disagree. I think $100 is the breaking point. Right now it's at 99.28, I believe. I don't know if I can. 99.50. Ooh, it went up again. And I just read an article that says that the only reason oil is trading high right now, or no, let me take that back. Okay, part of the reason why oil is trading high right now is because of the conflict in the Middle East, but another reason is that people say that Wall Street sees oil as a bull market, so they're going to trade it up. Now, these traders in Washington, or not Washington, these traders in New York, I mean, they see like this. They see, that's all they see. They don't see what's over here, and what's over here. They only see this. I mean, they see this rise in oil, and then they say, "Oh, I'm going to trade into that, so let's trade into it." So we got to get into oil. I mean, they trade on emotion and they trade on technicals. I mean, okay. I mean, I traded on the market full time for about a year and a half. There's two types of traders. There's the technical traders and the fundamental traders. The fundamental traders trade on news, and the technical traders trade on the charts. And then you have ones that do both. I was more of a technical trader than I was a fundamental. But you have to pay attention to fundamentals because the news, that drives prices of everything. And this isn't sustainable. This is going to be a bubble. $140 in 2008 was the peaking point. Now, I think this, at some point this is no longer going to be traded on, or I don't think it's traded on supply now anyway, because we have ample supplies in the U.S., and they're still trading oil. Clear up. So it has no real, this isn't supply and demand. This is just speculation. Eventually it'll turn, if what happens in the Middle East is really bad, it'll turn into actual supply and demand. But right now it's not supply and demand, it's just speculation. And, I can't tell you I have all the answers, but what I personally believe is we need to I'm not big on regulation, but we need to regulate this. Because this right here has too much of an impact on everybody. Because if oil goes up, people lose their jobs, people can't get to work. It's bad. Oil needs to be at a point where people, it doesn't, you go to work one week and oil's $2.50 a gallon. The next day you get up and it's $3 a gallon. That is unacceptable. That it needs to stop because that affects people's lives way too. I mean, a person making $50,000 a year and they have to drive 20 miles to work every day. That's a lot of money out of their pocket, and that's what these traders don't understand. They don't care about those people. Most of these traders in New York don't even have a car. So well, I don't have a car, so that's not going to affect me. Yes, it is, you idiot. The price of food, the price of anything is going to go up. So yeah, that's all I have to say.